Hello guys, in this video we'll make smart curtain project. So depending on the sunlight, we'll open and close our curtains. So let's get started. First we'll take a on interval even node. To measure the sunlight, we'll use LDR sensor to read its readings. We'll take a analog read pin, connect with the flow. In the properties of analog read pin, we'll configure it. We'll read at pin 36. We'll map its value at a scale of 1 to 100. We'll rename our output variable as LDR. We'll use a if node to apply conditions. In the condition, we'll say that if LDR is more than 40, then we'll open our curtains. For that, we'll take a servo motor. And we'll configure it, and our output pin will be 2. Click add, angle 180 degree, and if it's less than 40, we'll close our curtains. Click done. Save the flow, verify the flow. Hello guys, as you can see, the intensity of sunlight is more than 40, so my servo motor is at 180 degree, and when it's less than 40, it will come at 0 degree, and now as you can see.